Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. Mike with Enviroscape LA. This is a rain table. There's the rain. But I'm making this video because this table, actually you can eat here, and then the water, in the middle there's running water, but check that out. The water comes out, but what I'm really impressed with is that this table is actually a source for the pollinators. Check out that little guy right there. There's pebbles there that allows them to just land. They can take a drink of water. Very, very important. If these little ones die, they're going to take us with them. So they fly off. They don't hurt anybody. They just, they do their thing. They take a drink and then they're off again. So whatever you do in your landscape, you want to try to do something that's going to find out who needs to eat or who needs to drink, and then feed them and give them something to drink. That's what saving the planet is all about. It doesn't have to be real big and fancy. It could be something that's just aesthetically pleasing and helps our environment and little ones. Thanks for joining me. Take care.